Hello, today I would like to share about the measurings of round duct. So the measuring of the round duct, we are it is similar to the rectangle duct. So please check this videos one step by step. So here let's see the for the duct sizing round is 100. The DN is 100. We need to measuring only one point, and the duct sizing the duct sizing with 150 millimeter, DN 150 millimeter. We use we measuring only one point the same. So 100 and 150, the measuring only one point for both. For the DN 200 millimeters, we are measuring 5 point. After measuring, we can find the average. And the next side, 250, we measuring 5 point. It's same to 200. So let's go to see the duct size 300 millimeters. 300 we measuring 9 point. Duct sizing then 300 we measuring 9 point. And for the 400, then 400 we measuring 13 points. Then 500. Then 500 we measuring 17 point. This is all the measuring of the round duct. Then 500.